Hi, today we'll show you how to configure the meter with Wi-Fi. First, open up the app, come into this site, the devices, press configure, select the lower model. Over here, you can see the Wi-Fi name. Okay, you must make sure that the Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz. Key in the Wi-Fi password. Okay, and then press this blue button for 7 seconds. Okay, when it starts blinking, press configure network. Okay, the configuration is successful once the meter stops blinking. Okay, once it is connected, so your meter will go online like this. Online.